Since Parks installed our system, we had a couple of situations where we needed some extra care.
When I call Parks, they'll come over in a day or two. If it's an emergency, they'll be here. And once they leave, the thing's right. You don't have to call them back, and they're here, and they do a good job. Their techs are really good people. They send you follow-ups with their names and their pictures, and when the guy comes to the door, you know exactly who it is. So I think they have a lot going for them, and wow, I'll tell you what, the service was like, boom.
I'll tell you, the team from Parks came out and worked diligently to get that thing really working perfectly, and I'm really so impressed with how they handled that. So yeah, we're really pleased with them. Parks has been a great team for us. They've been following through with everything that we needed to have serviced, and we just are pleased that we can say that and be diligent about saying it with a truthful heart, and we're really sincere about how good the company is.
As far as I can say, they're better than any other company around that I know of.